In dense jungles, open deserts, snowy mountains, and urban landscapes, one tool remains critical to a soldier's survival: camouflage. But camouflage isn't one size fits all. In forests, soldiers use greens and browns to blend with vegetation. In deserts, tans and beige mimic the sand. Snowy regions call for pure white to disappear into frozen terrain. But modern camouflage goes beyond color. Digital patterns break up the human outline. Some fabrics even reflect infrared to confuse night vision. Special forces use ghillie suits, layers of mesh, leaves, and twigs, for sniper concealment. And now, high-tech adaptive camo can change color depending on the surroundings. In war, visibility equals vulnerability. Camouflage isn't just gear, it's survival science.